Do you have like any 200-gram cakes on sale?
You're not really gonna find anything on sale. These are so hard to get. As far as 200 grams. Okay, it's quicker than I am. Paul, point me to some 200-gram cakes.
I'm sorry?
200-gram cakes.
200?
Yeah.
Those are going to be the small middleweights.
Like these in here.
Yeah. So, other than the intake tank mine. So, okay. The seven card stud, 25 shots, the addicted to quack, red, white, and blue. What up, dog? Those are going to be in your 200 to 300 gram range.
Okay.
And then you go up to the 500, up to the top.
Thanks.
Yeah, all of your smaller cakes are 200 to 300, except for the intake tank. That one's different. So, 7 cards should be on the left side of the intake tank.
Right.
How many shots is that one right there?
This one?
Yeah.
16.
16 shots, and that one's like the big burst.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How about Poker Face? How much is that one?
What are you looking at?
The little mini NOAB, it looks like.
Oh.
Yep.
It's gonna be $9.
$9?
No, 9 shots.
Oh,
It's,
9 shots.
$28.
$28, okay. Are those cone fountains right there any good? The $3 ones?
They're cute. They're a little lower, but they're cute.
About how long do they last?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Alright, I think I'll take one of those.
Alright, do you have an ID on you?
Might. You have to come. I told you that I'm not allowed to buy any fireworks without your ID. It's illegal.
What are you looking at? Hi there, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm gonna pick up one of those cone fountains. You want to get me some jumbo sparklers? They're $5.
You want a cone sparkler?
No, it's a little fountain, like, and that
That
would be good.
$3 one?
Yeah, and it's quiet, so that way on the island we don't make that much noise. So.
And the other, okay, did you bring,
Yeah, I have Visa.
well, no. You don't, what do you take?
Yeah, I take it all.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you want a big long, what do you want? The fountain, those and that?
Well, I'm not quite done looking yet.
Well, then why'd you call me over here?
Well, it's...
You can pick out whatever you want, and when you're ready, she just has to hand me the money and I hand her the fireworks.
Why don't you get...
How about 2 of those barrages right there? They're 2 for $12.
How about you just, for now, just get, because we're going to go shopping and then we'll be back this way. Why don't you
Will
get...
you guys have more stock next week?
We may or we may not. We don't know.
Right?
Okay.
Well, then we might be able to come back.
Yeah,
How about-
everybody is short.
I know. How about we get a
One
cone and one long
Sparkles.
thing,
Alright.
okay?
Yeah,
And
because...
you pay with the Visa card,
Alright.
and I'll buy you those sparklers.
Alright, yeah, we can always come
but-
back because we pass you all the time.
That's what I just said, honey.
Yeah.
I saw you going back and forth with the tools. I didn't know that you were here. I was
yeah.
like, does she sell tools too? I saw one tool go by, and then I saw another.
I had to fix the door.
Oh, it doesn't have a. It doesn't have a chip.
Okay.
You remember how to do that thing?
Yep.
Yeah.
Took me a second. Oh, before you leave, I need you to look at the battery on this.
It's unplugged.
Swipe the card.
It's unplugged. Okay, then I'm good.
How much was it? 8.
Here you go, honey. Thank you very much.
I don't need it. Is it?
Have you made anything yet? No, that was the first one. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm supposed to bring one penny at the house.
Did it
We're good.
did
I'll
it
do
work?
a receipt for her.
Oh, I don't need a receipt, but I want to make sure you're getting your money. It
Oh.
said approved.
No. Do I have to have the receipt? No.
And is that whole thing up there just one firework?
Uh-huh.
That the force? Yeah, I've never ever seen one so big. It's crazy.
You should have your people number, right?
Yeah, but usually the city thing.
Oh, I can sign it for you.
Before it goes away. Are you stuck? He froze it.
Oh well, you're good.
You
I'll
sure?
I'll
Are you
deal with
guys good?
I'll deal with it. I know the
He's
people.
my boss,
Okay.
so we'll
Okay.
go with it.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks.
Oh, can we get a punch stick?
Can you get?
Yes.
Many did you want?
Oh, okay.
That was good. Thank you.
Y'all have a great day.
You too.